Hey there everyone, and welcome back to our Canva course from Basic to Advanced. In this lesson, which is chapter number 8, I'm going to show you some advanced Canva tips, and I'll also show you how you can apply those tips directly inside your projects. So, without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I have Canva opened here. I'm going to start by creating a new Instagram post using the square format. The first tip I want to teach you is how to use filters while searching inside Canva. For example, if I go to the Elements section and then click on Photos, I can search for any type of image I want. Let's say I search for photo. You'll notice a filter option appearing right above the search results. Now, I can apply filters like color, orientation, animation type, and even price. Let's say I choose yellow as my color, square for orientation, and keep everything else as default. Now all the results will match exactly what I've filtered. If I ever want to remove all the filters, I can simply click on Clear at the corner of the search box and it resets everything back to normal. Now moving on to the next tip, adding hyperlinks to text. This is especially useful when you're working on PDFs or presentations. Let's say I have a text box in my design, maybe a title or a button. I can select the text and look for the link icon on the top toolbar. Click on it, and a small window will appear where I can paste my link. For example, I am pasting the link of YouTube. Now this text becomes clickable, and when I export my design as a PDF or present it, that link will actually work. It's a very handy feature when you want to link to a website, video, or any external resource. Next, let's talk about animation combinations. I'll create a new project, this time an Instagram story. I'll open up a blank template and maybe select one of the layouts to start with. Now I'll go to the Animate tab on the top bar. Here, you'll find different animation styles like rise, pan, fade, and pop. You can apply these individually to different elements. For example, give one element a rise effect and another one a fade. When you play the animation, you'll notice only those selected elements move. That's called animation combination. Now let's move to another useful trick, attaching lines to elements. I'll go back to a blank page and add 3 square shapes on the canvas. Then I'll go to Elements and add a line. If I move the line close to one of the shapes, you'll notice small dots appear. Those are anchor points. Once you connect the line using an anchor point, it becomes attached to that shape. Now if I move the shape, the line stays connected and moves along with it. This trick is really helpful when you're creating infographics, flowcharts, or any kind of diagram. It keeps your layout organized and makes editing much easier. Next, let's talk about Canva colors. If you go to the website www.canva.com/colors, you'll find some really helpful tools like the color palette generator, color ideas, color wheel, and color meanings. The color palette generator is especially useful. You can upload an image, and Canva will automatically extract the main colors from that image and create a color palette for you. This makes it easy to maintain a consistent and professional color scheme across your design projects. These techniques will help you design faster, work smarter, and create projects that really stand out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson of our Canva course from Basic to Advanced.